So we have a Chamberlain belt drive garage door opener, and it's worked well. It's nice and quiet, but one of the things that's always annoyed me about these garage door openers is that the safety beam that goes down on the bottom is only, catching like 6 inches off the floor. And in the past on this car, the garage door has been shut on the liftgate by mistake. So I wanted to avoid that again. So I bought this new product called Infinity Shield, which looks at not just the bottom, but all the way up to say 6 feet to the top of the door. So it has these receiver and transmitter bars on either side. And so, of course, this will allow the garage door to close except when there's an obstruction, but an obstruction anywhere in the way. So I'll turn on the beeper here on the receiver side, and you'll see that no matter where I put my hand, it will indicate that there's a blockage. And even I can walk in front of it here. I can straddle like this, and it doesn't matter because anywhere in the path here, there's my hand. It's gonna indicate that the garage door is blocked. Okay, I'm gonna go turn off the beeper because that will annoy the crap out of Kathy. There we go. So, just to show this again, if I try to shut the door, one more time, just for fun. Here comes my hand. Nice. There we go.